What's going on, guys? Kind of an impromptu video here. Weather's not so good, so just kind of sitting around cleaning things up and watching some videos. What videos have I watched, you might ask? I actually watched the past couple episodes of Rotor Riot. I'm not a Rotor Riot hater at all. I just, whatever. I understand it's a little niche in the community and that people look up to a lot of these guys. Years ago when Rotor Riot started, I loved it. It was great watching Sharpoo and Steel and Chad and Tommy just do all of these amazing things and go to all these amazing places. It was great for like the beginning of that generation of the hobby. The current cast of characters, whatever you want to call them, I have nothing against any of them at all. I used to love watching Ladrib when he did his own thing. I really don't enjoy his content as much as I used to. Same thing goes with Jeff Vortex. I loved his trick tutorials. I still practice and watch those over and over and over. But needless to say, I don't hit the little bell to be notified when a video comes on. But I've watched the past couple episodes with Alex Vanover, and that dude, he can fly, so he is very interesting. He's I don't know, I haven't quite put my finger on the guy yet. I mean, obviously he's like super skilled and he really takes this to heart and practices, and he applies as much scientific methodology to it as possible. But the one video I watched where they were somewhere out on a boat and he did this move, kind of like this dive split S through this hole. It was just, it's amazing. You got to check it out. Then of course he did end up trying it again because he wanted to do it better than he already did the first time, and ended up losing his quad, but he did retrieve it. And then I watched the latest episode, I believe, where they were somewhere overseas in Europe somewhere, and there's this old bando with these 5 gates to dive down. It was like 5 patios with like a hole, I don't know, this big, whatever. It was awesome. Like, the kid did it. It didn't really take him that long to do it. He just did it. He came out of the bottom perfect. It was great. I haven't seen anything that close since Tommy's Duga dive, which still is top of the list when it comes to precision flying. And just to think about the equipment that Tommy was dealing with that many years ago, as far as the firmware, power to pull out, the kind of props, just how stable everything was. So yeah, Captain Vanover, thanks for saving Rotor Riot. Talk to you guys later.